Today we have a video from Body Cam Watch, and the title of the video is Reno 911, but it's real life.
On March 26, 2025, an officer responded to a call about a woman refusing to remove her dogs from the beach.
Hello? Yeah, no. Yeah, police. Yeah, policia. Come on the beach. Shut the f up. Me shut. Okay. Where's their dogs? Okay. Hey, puppies. Yeah, I know. I know. You got water? You got water? Okay. I can't hear you. Yeah. Hopefully it's not salt water. Here. Get some water. Well, I can trespass her. It's a county park. I'm just filling in here. So, it's a county park. We can trespass her, right? Yeah. She's bothering people. Okay. Ahoy! I don't know. How do you? Hey, ahoy! Ma'am! Ma'am, you gotta leave the beach! If you refuse to leave, you're subject to arrest! Okay. It's been a few minutes. I need you to get out of the water so we can have a conversation, please. No. I need you to come conversate with me. What? What'd you say? You have a gun? I can't hear you. Okay, I thought I heard you say you have a gun. Is that what you said? Pretty sure she said I have a gun, but I didn't hear it. I don't know exactly. Well, don't work now. Amanda, can you come talk to me?
See, she playing games. And when they do grab a hold of her, they gonna get her together. You know why? Because she's not making it a priority to come talk to the officers. She want to lollygag, do everything on her own time. Okay, well, they gonna be like, I can show you better than I can tell you. Watch this.
Do you go by Amanda or you go by something else?
You're going to prison.
I'm going to, okay. Oh, don't do that. No. No.
Oh, look at you.
But I need you to talk to me. What? I have your dogs in my car. Can you come take care of them, please? Can you take care of your dogs? Listen, we're not doing this all day. You gotta come, you gotta just walk here.
Thank you.
Listen, I'll make you a deal. You walk here and we'll walk to my cruiser, you and me.
Thank you.
Well, if she gets out, we're gonna grab her.
Oh, heck yeah.
Well, maybe we can.
Yeah, let me get ready with Stanton here. Hey, just don't run me over when you stop.
She get out? Here.
Yeah. Go.
She's on shore. Oh, perfect.
Yeah. Just pull up to her. Easy. Hold on. Don't do it. We're going to be on video everywhere. Hold on. Stop. There's kids. There. Stop. We're not doing this. Amanda, can you stop running, please?
They gonna get her together.
I just want to talk to you. That's all. I just want to talk. Hey, don't hit the people with the sand.
It's not happening.
Just, I want to talk to you. I just want to talk to you.
He don't want to get in that water, boy. He don't want to get in that water.
And how?
I need you out of the water now. Stop.
God is good.
Stop. You're a grown adult. Get out of the water.
Good.
Get out of the water. You're a grown adult.
God is good. That's the court.
I could have tackled her, but I would have been knee deep in water.
Unbelievable.
I gotta work on my cardio.
Yeah, it's like
Well, I told Stan, I was like, hey, stop driving. There's all these kids around, and people are going to be recording us. And
Like this is the best chance once you sat down.
yeah,
They definitely gonna be recording. We watching right now.
I was going to, but I'm like, she just went in the water. I'm like,
All right, well, let's give her a little space again, and maybe.
let me find out what car she has. We'll just set up on the car, maybe.
Yeah, I don't know.
Yeah, let me go research what car is hers.
No.
I was waiting for you to jump in.
Well, we're all on the news now.
YouTube,
Just delete the
YouTube.
video of me trying to run. Are you ready? Here we go. You can sit in the air conditioner in my car. Come sit with your dog. Come sit with your dog in my car, or you're gonna go with them.
Amanda, we're trying to help you out. Amanda, nobody's gonna hurt you. Come on.
Come here. I will put you in the back of the car with your dog.
Amanda, come on out.
Come to me. Come on.
Thank you.
Sorry.
It's all right. Just come on out. Come on out, Amanda. I appreciate it.
You're fine.
Come on.
Come here.
Come on.
Just
fine.
not.
Grab my glasses.
I'm not violent, please.
Okay, that's all right.
But you need to listen.
Please, I'm 37 years old. I'm not.
37 years old. You acting 3.
Very good.
Well, then why didn't you listen to us or respect us?
I was trying my best.
No, you weren't. What were you saying to me? F you, F this. Yes, you did.
Thank you guys.
You ready?
See where my cruiser is way over.
Yeah, we can put her in mine. Passenger side.
Why are you so excessive?
We're not.
Man, we're not.
We gotta walk.
Please stop.
Walk.
Christ
Amanda, we're
is
just.
king.
Christ is king. Christ is king.
Christ is king. Jesus is real, and he's here.
This is not embarrassing. Don't
Oh,
you want to get in the
boy.
cruiser? Everybody's
Christ
taking a
is
photograph.
king.
Videos. Come on. Come on.
Give me a second.
Man, we gave you a lot more than a second.
No, I want you to stand up.
You guys, are you watching? Ow!
Come on.
Ouch! That
Well, keep
hurts!
walking. Nobody's hurting
That
you.
hurts!
Nobody's hurting you.
You got it.
There you go.
It's not happening ever again.
I hope
That's
not.
good. Yeah, we
Okay.
don't need this to happen again.
The troops are here.
Here.
They're real troops.
Yeah.
My car
Fine.
lock.
Oh God! Can I have my dogs and my purse and stuff?
We'll deal with that in a second.
So,
Is the air? What are my charges? No.
I'm gonna tell you
What are
again.
my?
Ma'am. Just
Stop it! Stop!
nobody's doing anything.
Stop!
Come on, let's get up.
It's
Come
not
on,
happening.
just get up.
Ow!
Ma'am, you're gonna have to get up.
Stand
There's
up.
a lot of people here.
Amanda, stand up.
Ew!
You got it. Hey.
That's not good.
Ow!
Stop. What is this?
No! No!
Stop it.
Never again! Never again! That's it. I'm not Jesus Christ, but he's here. Thank you guys. There's children here.
If you can get her feet, I can grab her feet.
All
No.
right. Come on, Amanda.
No.
I need you to get in the cruiser. We're gonna force you in. Can you please get in the
Please.
cruiser?
It's time.
I can hold her upper body if you want to grab her legs.
Please. It's not happening!
Watch your head. We don't want you to hurt your head.
No,
There you go.
not happening.
Watch your head.
Unbelievable.
Ooh,
I got that.
She kicked you?
yeah.
Oh God, it's not happening. It's not happening, guys. I'm not. Christ is king, love you, not happening. Give me my cell phone and my bag and my dogs, and I want to go. Let me out, and I want to go.
On July
Oops. Yeah. This is crazy right here. The thing is that the officers was trying to do their best without getting dirty. That's really what nobody wants to get dirty, get wet. You know what I mean? Like, it's like, come on, man. And then this lady, Christ is king and all of that, and whatever she got going on in her mind is like, well, maybe Christ could get you out of this situation here, because you something ain't right. Something ain't right, and you need some help. This is not how people act at a, followers of whatever it is that you believe in, She is cuckoo for Cocoa Puffs, boy. Anyway, maybe I'm thinking maybe she's high on something. Honestly, I think she's maybe under the influence of something. Probably took something. I don't know what, but she took something, because it ain't normal. If it is normal for her, then she needs to be in a psych ward or something. She needs some serious help. Anyways, yeah. So I get officers 5 out of 5. One thing I did want to look at, I wanted to see what the total time was that it took
On March
them.
20.
See, so hold on, let me go back here. All right, so this 14, 11. So what? That's 13, 14. So yeah, okay. So that's 211. And then when was by the time? Okay, so it took them about an hour. Golly. Damn, out there dealing with her for an hour? It's crazy. But yeah, man. So I get a cops 5 out of 5. Let me know in the comment section below how well you think the officers did, and I'm gonna catch you in the next video.